doing in the UK for children, and it's called Simply Yoruba. Can you tell us more about this?
Okay, Simply Yoruba is a concept. We help children, especially Yoruba children in the United Kingdom, and we are based in Essex. We're starting from Essex. We had our sessions. We had the very first session launched this August, 7th and 4th of August, where we teach kids some Yoruba simple expressions, and it was really interesting. Our goal is to help. Our goal and vision is to help children in diaspora, Yoruba, especially Yoruba children in diaspora, learn their culture, help them integrate into their culture and their language, because we don't want our kids to miss out of the authenticity of their origin. So I'm a Yoruba. I've been here for years. My children were born here. I want my children to understand and to be able to interact and integrate into my culture, into Yoruba culture, regardless of where they are in the world. And that's why the concept, the initiative came forward. And parents really loved the ideas, and children, the first time we had it, they loved the lessons, and it was beautiful.
Cool. Third question. Can you teach us more Yoruba, please?
Okay, so today we just have some simple Yoruba lessons and Yoruba expressions. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's go over.
We haven't been doing Yoruba videos in quite a while, so now we have someone from Simply Yoruba to teach us what we've been learning recently.
Ẹ káàsán akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ káàsán olùkọ́.
Ẹ káàsán akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ káàsán olùkọ́.
Ẹ káàsán akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ káàsán olùkọ́.
Tó bá jẹ́ pé ní Nàìjíríà la wà ní, àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wá máa dìde kí olùkọ́. What I meant by that is that in Nigeria, while we were growing up and when we were in school, when a teacher comes into the class, the students stand up from their seats. So we're going to try that now. So Timba sọ wípé ẹ káàsán akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ẹ dìde dúró, ẹ dẹ̀ sọ pé ẹ káàsán olùkọ́. So should we try that now? Okay, let's stand up. Ẹ káàsán akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ káàsán olùkọ́.
Ẹ káàsán akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ káàsán olùkọ́.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká jókòó, ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín. Well done. So today we're starting with our Yoruba greetings. Bá ṣe ń kíni ní ìlú wa ní èdè Yoruba. Now we're going to be revising body parts. I've been made to understand that you've done body parting, girl sparkles. Now you're going to do the talking. I will just ask you some body parts and you will tell me what they are in Yoruba. Now, Rhoda, what is to be learning 11 to 20 in
Yoruba?
How many of us are ready to learn that?
Me!
Yeah. Well done. Let's stand up straight and say after me.
Okokola.
12 is Ekejila.
Ekejila.
13 is Iketala.
Iketala.
14 is Ikerinla.
Ikerinla.
15 is Mẹ́ẹ̀dógún.
Mẹ́ẹ̀dógún.
16 is Mẹ́rìndínlógún.
Mẹ́rìndínlógún.
17 Kẹtàdínlógún.
Kẹtàdínlógún.
18 Méjìdínlógún.
Méjìdínlógún.
19 Ókàndínlógún.
Ókàndínlógún.
20 Ogún.
20.
Now everybody say 20 Ogún.
20 Ogún.
20 Ogún.
20 Ogún.
We are coming today.
Please share, subscribe, like and comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next videos. Bye!